Yep.
So you see the second one in, they got the just steady. You haven't got a rush.
Just takes it easy.
Take it easy, steady pace.
It's Emma inside.
But they might run out of energy because the other one's a bit weaker.
Yep.
And you start going around in circles.
Yeah. I think Emma and Co's got it together.
The girls at the back are coming forward.
Yeah.
Taking second place.
They're on their
going
way.
into the trees.
Oh no! No, they're in the trees. They've disappeared. No, they're not out yet.
They're going to take it. Oh no, hang on. She's getting weak. She's lost pace.
Where's the finish line? Cross and never go out there, never get there. Look at Emma's almost.
Run them into the other digger.
Oh, it's a bit of foul play going on. Using them to push him along. Go on, keep that pace going. Big deep.
Keep going. One more. Push with your arm, yeah? Push, you're pulling your bone.
Halfway.
The front one.
Come on, Emma, keep the pace. Keep going.
Leisurely cruise.
Keep going. You're catching up. You're catching up. Keep going. Steady pace. Fire the motor up. Oh, they've been overtaken.